बेसबरियां बेसबरियां
बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ पूरी टीम का, नीरज भाई का, सुशांत का, विजय जी का, और ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज माही यदि कन्विंस नहीं होते तो शायद ये मूवी नहीं बन पाती। एज ए व्यूअर्स उसको देखा तो मुझे ये था कि ये इंस्पिरेशन है हमारे लिए भी। मैं अपने आप को अलग करके देखा और सोचा तो जैसे ज़िंदगी में आदमी को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती रहती है, बट आदमी के हाथ में अपना काम करना होता है। जो मैं इसे सीखा और उसी पे चलते रहा, सो उसका बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा पॉजिटिव इंस्पिरेशन मिला है और आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग सेम थिंग।
At Foxstar, we are always looking out for very interesting scripts. But let me tell you that in the life of every studio, very rarely comes a story which is not only an entertaining film, but it is the story that represents the soul of India. And this film represents every one of you and represents India. What can be better?
It's a fabulous story. It was all in place. He's already lived that life. So it was pretty much easy to just put it on paper and then go ahead. I think Sushant here had a tougher job to do. He had to transform himself model himself into this personality next to him. And thankfully he was by default not doing anything at that point of time. And he had the time and the appetite to sort of work hard, train hard, and deliver what you guys saw just on the screen.
We have been to 3 different cities, including Mumbai now, and the kind of response what we have got so far is just fantastic. Jalandhar was brilliant, followed by Delhi, former school of Sushant. And I feel we have got very good reception each and everywhere. As far as going through the process is concerned, it's very tough. Frankly speaking, the only good thing, we don't have to walk 1500 kilometers. You have flights and you can take all of that. But yes, a lot of things get delayed because of the weather and everything. But as far as just the promotion is concerned, I'm very happy that I'm part of it. I have time to be part of it. And more than that, hats off to all the film stars, who do it on a regular basis. And they actually do it for 15-20 days before the start of the movie, before the movie gets launched. So I think it's a fantastic effort on their side. And we all need to appreciate it, that the amount of effort they put in, leave getting into the character part, acting and everything. It's just that the amount of effort that is put in to make a movie successful. No, I'm not worried at all. I have confidence in all the crew who has worked in the movie. Neeraj especially, right from the start. The good thing was we were on the same page. Because I've seen quite a few of his movies, and I like how he puts things on screen. And I think right from the very start we were clear. We don't want to make a movie which makes me a hero or glamorizes me. It was more about the journey, so that people can, relate to it, because we all go through almost the same thing. Okay, everybody doesn't play for India, but at the end of the day, to reach your mark, you have to struggle in life. And, it's all circumstantial, small decisions that you have to make that actually has a big impact in life. So it's all about that, the small things. Yes, people know a lot about me. I played football. I was from a particular school. I got a job with the railways, and I moved on and all of that. But what happens in between that is what really, pushes me or transforms me to what actually I am today. So the movie is more about the journey and, how I deal with everything, because I keep saying, be in the present, but the movie in a way will actually show what all happened that actually helped me be in the present, or that taught me to be in the present, and how being in present really helped me. It's a bit awkward, to watch your own movie, movie that's made on you. It's a bit awkward, to be frank, but at the same time, I felt I was not the person who was very nervous. It has to be Sushant. The reason being, let's say, अच्छा जैसा बात करें, मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ सुशांत के ऊपर प्रेशर है कि किसी मैच के सिचुएशन की बात करें कि लेट्स से हम कोई मैच हार गए, तो मेरा एक्सप्रेशन क्या होगा? ऐसे बैठा रहूँगा, मैं ऐसे बैठा रहूँगा, दो चार बार अपने दांतों को ग्राइंड करूँगा, थोड़ा सोचूंगा, बस दैट्स इट. बट अगर सुशांत मूवी में ऐसे काम करता है तो यू कैन इमेजिन पूरे जो मूवी का ड्यूरेशन होगा वो ऐसे ही बैठा रहेगा. सो सुशांत के लिए ज्यादा मुश्किल था कि उसको बाहर निकालना है और ऑडियंस को बिलीव कराना है कि मैं अंदर से ऐसा फील कर रहा था, जिसके लिए इसने मुझे बहुत कुरेदा है कि उस समय कैसा फीलिंग था, इस समय कैसा फीलिंग था. मैं बोला यार तुम सवाल ही पूछते रहते हो. रियलिटी है कि मैं नहीं, रियलिटी है कि हमने बहुत कम टाइम स्पेंड किया साथ में, बट इसने जिस तरीके का एफर्ट डाला है, क्योंकि एक पार्ट क्रिकेट भी था, तो ऑफ कोर्स हर कोई हम लोग क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, बट जब स्क्रीन में आपको प्रेजेंट करना पड़ता है तो आपको सर्टेन चीजें सीखनी पड़ती हैं, स्पेशली अगर क्रिकेट से रिलेटेड हो तो क्रिकेटिंग शॉट्स वगैरह खेलने पड़ते हैं.
Sir, helicopter shot, sir.
सो मूवी में इसने हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट भी मारा है एंड इट्स एग्जैक्टली लाइक अ रेप्लिका. सो बहुत एफर्ट डाला है सुशांत ने. एंड नीरज तो आई वाज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट. नीरज के लिए मैं आई फील ही इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट डायरेक्टर्स. काफी अच्छे डायरेक्टर्स हैं, दूसरे भी अच्छे डायरेक्टर्स, बट आई लाइक जिस तरीके से ये मूवी को प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं, जिस तरीके से इनकी मूवी में जो भी मेन थीम रहता है उससे बहुत ज्यादा इधर उधर डाइवर्ट नहीं होता है. इट स्टिक्स टू द थीम एंड दैट्स हाउ इट गेट्स ओवर. सो नीरज के बारे में बहुत ज्यादा नहीं बोलेंगे. आई थिंक इज वेरी टैलेंटेड, बहुत टैलेंटेड है, बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग है.
I think to start with, it was more excitement than pressure. मैं जैसे एक स्टोरी बताऊंगा. 2007 की बात है या 6 की बात है. बहुत ही तवज्जो, बहुत ही मुश्किल से किसी तरीके से मैं और मेरी फैमिली MS तक पहुंच पाए थे, और मैंने एक फोटो खींचा था अपनी फैमिली के साथ. और he is one person, one of the very few person who I seriously have very enormous respect for. I look up to him, and so to get an opportunity to know his inside story up close and personal gave me a lot of excitement, not pressure. And very honestly, there are films in your career you do it with full honesty and you end up being a good actor. But there are very rare films that you do and you end up being a good human being. And this is one of the